Hey riders, whether you're unboxing the classic S1 or the trendy T1, you're just 15 minutes away from hitting the road. First, spot the open here on your box. This box can be quite useful in the future, so it's worth holding on to. Once the box is opened, gently slide your bike out. Start by removing the packaging carefully with a pair of scissors. Alright, let's dive into the good stuff inside that box. You'll spot an assembly kit located here. In this kit, you'll find your ownership card, your pass to pair your bike with the EVIE app. Keep that card safe. It's your golden ticket for proving bike ownership and pairing your bike. Next, meet the EVIE key, your smart card for effortlessly unlocking your bike, plus a spare just in case. Quickly glance through the user manual in the kit. It's your straightforward guide for a smooth setup. You'll also find all the tools you need, an Allen key, a spanner, pedals, and a charger. Let's move on to the next step, installing your wheel. Begin by removing the front wheel from the bike, carefully cutting the cable ties. Continue by cutting the remaining cable ties to free the quick release from the wheel. Now, let's prepare the front wheel for installation. Remove the hubcap from the front wheel and take out the brake pad spacer in the brake caliper. Do not press the brake levers after removing the brake spacer to prevent damaging the brakes. With the wheel ready, carefully lift your bike. Guide the front wheel into the fork, paying close attention to ensure that the disc brake fits well into the brake caliper. Also, ensure that the dropout fits into the wheel hub. Secure the wheel by inserting the quick release in the correct position. Ensure that the smaller end of both springs faces the hub, and position the quick release skewer to face the disc brake. Securely tighten the nut and close the quick release lever, making sure not to over-tighten. Now, let's get your handlebar perfectly set for optimal control and comfort. Remove the rubber screw cap, slightly loosen the screw with a 5mm Allen key, and align your handlebar to perfection. Check the alignment of your stem and front wheel, aiming for that flawless 90-degree angle. Then, secure everything in place, starting with the top screw, followed by the side screws for a rock-solid grip. Remember to tighten the top screw first before tightening the two screws on the sides. Moving on to the next step, installing the pedals. Take a moment to identify the left pedal, marked by the 3 grooves on the spindle and the distinctive L sticker, and the right pedal clearly labeled with an R. Carefully install the right pedal by turning it clockwise by hand. Ensure proper alignment and then use the 15mm wrench to securely tighten the pedal. Now repeat the process for the left pedal, tightening counterclockwise. Now let's work on your tire pressure. The S1 and T1 feature 2-inch tires for a more comfortable ride, so be sure to inflate them between 30 to 35 psi for a smooth ride. Almost there. Time to install the saddle. Start by loosening the seat clamp. Gently insert the saddle and adjust to your optimal seating position. Once you found the sweet spot, securely tighten the seat clamp. Ensure that your knee stays perfectly straight when you place your heel on the pedal at 6 o'clock. And finally, don't forget to fuel up your bike for the journey ahead. Open the rubber cover on the top tube and gently insert the charging plug and power it up. Keep an eye on the charger's light indicator. When it changes from red to green, that means your bike's fully charged. Now let's get your bike and the EVIE app in sync for a seamless smart cycling experience. Simply follow these steps. 1. Grab your phone and download the EVIE app from either the App Store or Play Store. 2. Create an account and confirm your email to get started. 3. Turn on Bluetooth, then scan the QR code on your ownership card to magically connect your bike to the app. Now let's get your EVIE key paired for keyless unlocks that'll make your ride smoother. 1. Open the EVIE app and find your bike waiting to connect. 2. Tap Register EVIE key or go to Bike Settings and select EVIE key. 3. Just follow the easy peasy on-screen steps to pair your EVIE key. And voila! You're all geared up to drive into the smart world of your new bike. Give your lock and unlock feature a quick whirl to ensure everything is in tip-top shape. For additional support, visit support.eviebikes.com. Cheers to many smart and joyful rides ahead.